Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by recognizing what affects Sanity and the immediate tools that slow its drain. First, check the meter or cues and equip a reliable light source. It stabilizes perception and reduces jumps. Next, keep 1 or 2 calming consumables handy and choose safe save points. Once done, set difficulty to a level where Sanity penalties are manageable so you can act deliberately rather than react out of panic. Now handle the core loop, confrontation versus avoidance. When enemies appear, use sustained light and controlled movement. Steady aim preserves composure and lowers panic spikes. When environmental triggers occur, sudden noises, flickers, back away to a well-lit area and reassess, because perception resets more slowly in darkness. Make interacting with documents and familiar objects a priority, since narrative context calms the mind and restores stability. This deliberate scanning prevents gradual breakdown. To finish, prioritize calm completion of objectives. Clear rooms one at a time, check corners, and only sprint for exits if danger is immediate. After each major encounter, retreat to a safe zone to use consumables and regain full stability before entering final sequences. If Sanity continues to drop unexpectedly, the single troubleshooting move is to reload the last checkpoint and alter your approach. Use different routes, conserve lights, or delay combat until better prepared so panic no longer dictates actions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.